Do you ever feel like you're not being heard or struggle to convey your thoughts effectively? This is because most leaders assume speaking the same spoken language automatically means speaking the same language. You're not alone. Communication is an art, and mastering it is essential for success in every aspect of life and business. It's not just about being heard. It's about being understood, resonating, and making an impact. Welcome to a game-changing experience for leaders like you. This isn't just another workshop. It's a communication transformation. By the end of this workshop, you will walk away with practical tools and strategies to boost your confidence and create meaningful connections. Most importantly, you will realize how we cannot speak the same language until we understand the language our listeners speak. Step into the world of effective verbal communication. Craft messages that captivate, ask questions that go deeper, and listen in a way the person knows you truly understand. Deep dive into the unexplored nuances of nonverbal communication.
Great idea, I love that idea.
Discover how a gesture, a look, a tone speak louder than words. Unlock the hidden language of microexpressions, posture, hand gestures. Learn to read the unspoken, to understand and influence, to build trust and create stronger connections. Whether you're leading a team, closing a deal, or building personal and professional relationships, these are the communication skills that set true leaders apart. Don't just be a leader, be a communication trailblazer. Join us and transform the way you connect, lead, and succeed.
Perfect, you nailed it, yes!
Raise your standards. Join us.